So the rebuilding of life continues. So I'm thinking of music now. Hotel California. Um, and it kind of comes to an end now. I like Crazy by Seal. Um, it really is a struggle to remember anything at all. I liked a lot of classical music as well. Um, I'm trying to think who my main singer was. There's nothing coming up at the moment. Um, so we were struggling. I'm thinking TV as well. I used to watch the X Files, Starsky and Hutch, um, Panorama, Equinox. I like that. We'll be rebuilding life from scratch is a real mission. I tell you that.